Hi there. In this video, we'll be going to see that how this Sign PDF utility tool help us to fill the PDF with our own text or add our own signature. So now let's say you receive a PDF form to fill out. Then the first thing may come to your mind is to print that PDF file and then fill it by hand and then scan that PDF file and resend it to the concerned person. Well, this is what the majority of the people do in this type of scenario. And this is where our Sign PDF free utility tool comes into the picture. With this tool, you can not just fill the PDF, but you can also add some of your custom images or add your own signature, text, and check marks also. And one of the major benefit of this tool is all the document operation is processed on your computer's browsers only. And for that, you no need to require an internet connection. Everything works in your browser only. Alright, so now let's get started with this tool. So here you can see that first I need to either provide PDF file or JPG file as an input to this tool. So let me select this PDF file, and once the PDF file is added, you can see at the top side this toolbar button for different purpose. For example, if you want to add this check mark, then you just need to click on this, and here you can see that the check mark is added, and you can drag this check mark in this document and place it at the appropriate position. And you can also increase the size of this check mark by clicking on this plus button. And same way, if you want to add this cross check mark, then just click on that button and then you can drag that check mark and place it at appropriate position. And same way, you can also add some of your images by clicking on this button. Let me select this image. You can make this image small by clicking on this button, and let me add this image over here. And you can also add your own text by clicking on this button. So for example, let me define my client name over here. And now let me increase the font size. And now let me adjust this font position over here. And you can also change this font by clicking on this button. So here, instead of this font, I want to use Times New Roman font, and then you need to click on this apply button. So same way you can also add this type of text for address and this city state zip field. And now I also want to add my own signature in this document. So for that you need to click on this toolbar button. So in this pop-up you can see there are 4 tabs. In the first tab you can see the list of already created signature, and in the second tab, you can create your own signature by writing in this text area. So for example, now once you are ready with the signature, you just need to click on this insert signature button and you can see our signature over here. Now let's make it small and then you can drag it at the appropriate position. And same way in the type section, you can type signature in this text area. So for example, and then I can change this font by clicking on this button. And then in the last tab, you can select the image of your signature by browse on your computer. So now let me close this pop-up. And once you are ready with your PDF, you just need to click on this Save as PDF button. And that's it. This tool prepared your file in a matter of seconds. Now let me save this file. And now let's open our newly created signed and filled PDF file. And here you can see our edited content, our check marks and custom images and our signature as well. Alright, so this is how you can fill and sign the PDF using our tool. So you will get the link of this tool in the description section of this video. Now in the next video, we will learn about the next utility tool called PDF to image.